Hello students, welcome to English online class. Today we are going to see simple compound complex rule number 6. Already we had seen 5 rules. So today we are going to see rule number 6. This is reason positive. So all the sentences are expressing reason, that also positive reason. So here simple sentences, phrases, due to, because of, owing to. Okay, so all the 3 phrases are giving same meaning: due to, because of, owing to, and being. Compound sentence, coordinating conjunction, and so. Complex sentence, subordinating conjunction, as, since, because. So when you write leave letter, so you are going to start from, as I am suffering from fever, I am unable to attend the class. Like that you start. So why? You are going to start as, because you are going to point out some reason behind that. So only we start from, as I am suffering from fever. So like that. So phrases, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions are to point out only the reason and also a positive reason. Okay, so let us see the sentences. Due to heavy rain, the meeting was postponed. So due to heavy rain, the meeting was postponed. This is simple sentence because phrase the meeting was postponed, it is main clause. So simple sentence. When you change into compound sentence, we need 2 main clauses and coordinating conjunction. So it rained heavily, and so the meeting was postponed. Yes, it rained heavily, and so the meeting was postponed. Okay, it rained, verb, heavily it is adverb. Complex sentence. As it rained heavily, the meeting was postponed. So complex sentence, what we use as. So as it rained heavily, the meeting was postponed. Okay, so when you change into simple to compound and complex, we have to write the rain. Here rain it is noun, but here we have used verb, and heavy here adjective we are used. Okay, we have used heavily, it is adverb. Heavy rain it is adjective plus noun, but here verb plus adverb. We have changed verb plus adverb. Okay, it is it rained heavily, and so the meeting was postponed. As it rained heavily, the meeting was postponed. Okay, can you understand? Or else you can change, the rain was heavy, and so the meeting was postponed. This is one method. The rain was heavy, and so the meeting was postponed. Or complex sentence. As the rain was heavy, the meeting was postponed. Can you understand? Adjective plus noun. When you change into compound and complex, noun plus adjective. As the rain was heavy, the meeting was postponed. The rain was heavy, and so the meeting was postponed. So we have 2 main clause coordinating conjunction. And complex sentence, We have subordinating clause and also main clause. Can you understand? See next sentence. Owing to his illness, he remained at home. Okay, this is reason. Because of he remained at home. So, owing to his illness, he remained at home. This is simple sentence. So, when you change into compound, so already I said we need to main clause and coordinating conjunction. So, he was ill and so he remained at home. He was ill and so he remained at home. Compound sentence. So, complex sentence, as he was ill, he remained at home. Okay, as he was ill, he remained at home. So, owing to his illness, he remained at home. Simple sentence. He was ill, also he remained at home. Compound sentence. As he was ill, he remained at home. It is complex sentence. Can you understand? She did not continue her studies because she was poor. She did not continue her studies because she was poor. So what is the sentence? It is complex sentence. Because of means it is simple sentence. Because means it is complex sentence. She did not continue her studies because she was poor. It is complex. Compound sentence. So what is the reason actually? She was poor. Okay, that is the reason. She was poor and so she did not continue her studies. She was poor and so she did not continue her studies. Okay. Simple sentence. Simple sentence, what are the phrases we can use? Due to, because of, owing to. Okay. So, due to poor, she did not continue her studies. So, due to poor, she did not continue her studies. So, this is simple sentence. Okay, can you understand? Reason positive, and here in this rule we have used 4 phrases. Due to, because of, owing to, and last one is being. So, due to, because of, owing to, these are all okay, somewhat same meaning. Okay, so instead of due to, you can use owing to or because of, means that is sentence is correct only. But the being is little bit different from other phrases. Okay, we'll see one example. Okay, using because of, sorry, being. See the sentence, as he was clever, he solved the problem. As he was clever, he solved the problem. Actually, this is not a reason. Okay, read the sentence clearly means you can understand this is not a reason. So the clever, intelligent, honest, these are all not reason. This is one person's, okay, some individual person's quality, individual talent. Okay, the person's quality. Okay, intelligent, honest, clever, these are all one person's quality. So in this case, okay, in this type of sentences we can use being. So this is complex sentence. Compound sentence, same format. She was clever and so she solved the problem. Okay, she was clever and so she solved the problem. See, simple sentence, being clever, she solved the problem. You should not use due to clever or because of clever, owing to clever or on account of clever. It is totally wrong. Okay, so due to heavy rain, due to traffic, due to illness, due to sick, okay, on account of Independence Day, like that means, okay, there is some reason. But here the clever means it is not a reason, it is a person's quality. So only we are using being clever, she solved the problem. Can you understand the difference between due to and being? Okay, there is some action behind that, due to, owing to, on account of. Here it is not a reason, it is person's quality. So one more example, he was honest and so he was praised by everyone. This is compound sentence. He was honest and so he was praised by everyone. So complex sentence, he was, as he was honest, he was praised by everyone. As he was honest, he was praised by everyone. Simple sentence, being honest. Being honest, he was praised by everyone. Okay, being honest. Can you understand the difference between due to, on account of, owing to, because of, and being? So when you find out honest, intelligent, clever, brilliant, okay, these words means definitely when you change into simple sentence, use being. Being honest, being clever, being intelligent. Okay, so make note of where we use due to, because of, on account of, and also being. Okay, so kindly make note of all the examples as well as the rules. Okay, so this is rule number 6, reason positive. Okay. So next one, if reason positive means, what is the next one? Yes, exactly the reason negative. Reason negative. This is rule number 7. Simple sentence. So these are all very, very important rules. Okay, reason positive and the reason negative also very important one. Okay, definitely they will ask one questions from this topic in this rule. So simple sentence 2 and 2. This is infinitive, 2 plus infinitive. 2, 2, TW and TO, 2, 2. Compound sentence. Compound sentence, very and so. Very and so. Complex sentence, so that. Complex sentence, so that. So simple sentence 2 and 2 infinitive, compound sentence very and so, complex so and that. Okay, this rule is somewhat different from other rules. So 2 very and so that, and see, make note of this, am, is, or. This is common for compound and complex sentence. If you find am, is, or means, you have to write cannot. And was, where means, you have to write could not. Okay, I have written here the B form verbs am, is, or. Present tense means cannot. Was, where means you have to write could not. Okay. So in this rule, all the sentences are expressing negative one. Okay, it is too long, too tough, too height. That means it is negative only. Can you understand? So TO, too means it is a negative word. Okay, here couldn't point out any not, never, nothing, but to means that is negative word. Here the reason negative, reason negative. So to, very, and so, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, so and that. This is common for compound sentence and complex sentence. Am, is, or cannot, was, where means could not. Okay, and one more thing, simple compound complex. So when you find for me in simple sentence, you can write change into I in compound complex. For me means I. So kindly make note This one, very important one. Simple sentence for me means when you change into compound complex, I. So for us, B. For her, she. For him, he. So for me, I. For us, we. For her, she. For him, he. For them means they. Okay, so note down. For me, I. For us, we. For her, she. For him, he. For them, they. Okay, so let us see few sentence. Definitely you can understand. So watch it. See, Max was too tough to understand. This is a positive reason. No, it is negative reason. Whether it is tough or easy, you must learn. So, Max was too tough to understand. See, Max was too tough for us to understand. Okay, Max was too tough for us to understand. Here, 2 and 2. Okay, simple sentence 2 and 2. So, this is simple. When you change into compound, what you have to use? Very and so. So, here for us means we. Already say that for us means we. See, Max was very tough. We have to use very here. So listen carefully. Max was very tough. What is next? Unso. Unso. Next one. For us means compound and complex and we have to write we. Okay. So Max was very tough. Unso. We cannot or could not. You have to see the verb was. So was means you have to write could not, past tense. So we could not understand. Max was very tough and so we could not understand. So why we are using could here? Because it is past tense. Was or were means we have to write could not. So only we have written could not here. Max was very tough and so we could not understand. And complex sentence, Max was, what is next? So tough. Max was so tough that same thing we could not understand. Okay, so Max was so tough that we could not understand. So here 2 and 2. Next one very and so here for us we changed we, past tense, so could not. See here so and that. Okay, can you understand? Let us see one more example here. The coffee is very hot and so I cannot drink it. The coffee is very hot and so I cannot drink it. What is the sentence? It is compound sentence because very and so. Can you find out? Here we have written cannot because here verb is present tense is. So when you change into complex sentence, the coffee is so hot that I cannot drink it. The coffee is so hot that I cannot drink it. Simple sentence. The coffee is too hot. The coffee is too hot. So when you change into simple, for me to drink it. So the coffee is too hot for me to drink it. This is simple sentence. Can you understand? The coffee is very hot and so I cannot drink it. The coffee is so hot that I cannot drink it. Complex. Simple sentence. The coffee is too hot for me to drink it. This is simple sentence. Okay. Let us see one more example. The sea was so violent that we could not swim. This is so that. So it is complex sentence. Compound sentence. The sea was very violent and so we could not swim. The sea was very violent and so we could not swim. This is compound sentence. Very and so. Here could not because past tense. The sea was too violent for us to swim. Why for us? Because here we. So we have written for us. Can you understand? The sea was too violent for us to swim. Okay. See one more example. The tree is too height for him to climb. Okay, the tree is too height for him to climb. Simple sentence. 2 and 2. Compound sentence. The tree is very height and so he, because for him, so you have written he cannot climb. The tree is very high and so he cannot climb. Why we have used cannot? Because here is present tense. So only we have used cannot. And complex sentence, the tree is so height that he cannot claim. This is complex sentence. Can you understand? For me here two very and so that, and also you have to make note of these things. For me, my, for us, we, for her means she, for him, he, for them means they. Can you understand? Two rules, reason positive and reason negative. Okay, so make note of all the rules and the sentences. Okay, definitely in government examination they will ask one question from this topic. Okay, so we'll see the remaining rules in next class, students. So thank you all.